The topic is case study on chain drive failure. Okay. So first, what is chain drive?
Sir, chain drive is a mechanical system which transfers power of a rotary motion, sir. Mainly consists of three components. One is a sprocket and a chain. It has two types of sprockets. One is input sprocket and another one is called as output sprocket. The input sprocket is mounted on the crankshaft of the engines or anything rotating motion, sir. The chain connects the input sprocket and the output sprocket. The output sprocket is connected on the wheels. The input sprocket is smaller in size and the output sprocket is large in size. If the input sprocket rotates 2 times, the output it rotates 1 time. So the power transfer is done.
Mainly is what to transfer the power from one surface to another surface or one area to
another area.
Which is best, best or chain drive is best?
Sir, we can vary the speed in chains. We can't vary speed in chains, but while we are using belt drives, we can obtain high speed operations.
Can list out the application of the chain drive?
So moving of heavy materials can be in industries. In building construction, you take the blocks in the cements in the upload, and heavy hydraulic system having the lifting the blocks of materials. It can be transmitting the power one place to another place with a chain.
Mainly, a lot of defects affecting the chain drive failures. Can anyone say what is the reason chain drive failure?
So fatigue and overloading.
Fatigue and overloading is the first reason.
It has a loading and unloading the chain. With the heavy loaded vehicles, can the more important of the element, the sprocket can be loaded with the case of failures. Our next point, it can be wear and abrasion.
Wear and
abrasions.
Okay.
Between two elements with the building of the chains, it can be under the high loaded and the sprockets. The chain abrasive will be evenly unloaded of the vehicles. Can it in environmental changes, it can be affected and failures done by chains.
Mainly environmental, not about moisture,
humidity.
Okay, so this is the important point. Another point.
So that's another reason, sir. It's a lubrication environmental factor. Improper lubrication. Because of insufficient lubrication, the wrong type of lubricant and the contamination of lubricant can lead to the increase of friction and wear. Sir, it's environmental factors are like temperature, moisture, and exposure to the corrosive substance also negatively impact the chain performance and the life of the span.
Lubrication is example of the lubrication.
Sir, normally we use oils for lubricating chains because the lubrication prevents the friction due to heat and also it resists against the corrosion of the
Next point.
Sir, other factors like improper alignment, sir.
Improper alignment.
If the chain doesn't fix properly on the sprocket, while the load acting, the load cannot be transmitted, sir. The power cannot be transmitted from one to another.
So there is the improper alignment.
Major.
Next point.
Sir, prevention mitigation.
This is the main.
Yes, sir.
Last you see about the defects. What are the defects? The prevention is very important.
Regular maintenance, proper lubrication, cleaning and inspection are
The first point is the regular.
so regular maintenance.
Regular maintenance.
Inspection are crucial for preventing chain failures, sir. Then load management, sir. Ensure the chain is not overloaded. Environmental protection, protect the chain from the environmental conditions like moisture, corrosion, etc.
Really protect from moisture.
Moisture.
Is very important.
So the last one is proper installation. Ensure correct sprocket alignment and chain tension during installation.
replace the chain, we want to do it carefully, sir.
Okay, good, Kanna. See, this is a major